Welcome to Sabiduria, dear Trystin, episode 8. Something was bothering me the majority of the day today. I couldn't quite put the words to what I was feeling. It wasn't particularly bad. During this lockdown, I've been feeling it in different ways, in different variables. There you go. That's the word I was trying to say. But I couldn't pinpoint exactly what it was that I was feeling until I was over the area that I have my candles and my bells and my bowls and my incense. It's a special area in my house that if I have any serious intention, prayer, that's where I go to. And it was at that place, as I was talking to my husband and trying to gather up the correct words to describe the feeling that I was feeling, the words rushed into me. And I shouldn't be surprised. I have mentioned in the other episodes before that the lockdown has awakened me more than I anticipated. My third eye is opening. My intuition is strengthening. It's been a very intense, energetic shift for me. So, as I was talking to my husband and trying to figure out and gather the correct words of what exactly is occurring in my life and in my heart, the words came out fluid, like no big deal. The reason why I feel so off, the reason why I feel as something is off, something is wrong, and I don't know what to do about it, I can't do something about it, it's because I'm a healer. That's my job, and not just my job, but that's my purpose. I love to heal people. I love to be a part of that process of healing, whether it's to help you to lose weight, whether it's to help you to gain flexibility, whether it's to help you find a job, be the best person you can be in a particular area, help you to study, remove obstacles that I can control to help you remove obstacles. I'm a healer. I love doing that. It makes me feel good to be helpful. It makes me feel good to help others. And it takes me into a whole new plateau when I can't help you, when I can't help someone else. What do I mean by that? Of course, there are always situations that are going to come into play that you cannot, it's going to be completely out of your control, out of human control, and you just have to have the serenity to accept it. You can't help everybody. You can't change anyone but yourself. you can't force change. But I see healing. I see someone hurting. I see it. I see that there's a necessity. I see something that needs healing, and particularly with one of my family members. Take my kids, for example. I see that they need healing in a particular situation. And because I'm their mother, I want to be that advocate. I want to be that person that can fix that problem, that can help them to remove that particular obstacle, so that way they can become that bigger person, that better individual, that highly evolved human being. And yet, although I see the opportunities of healing, I see the solutions of healing, I see where the healing can lead them, I see where they should be going or could be going, and it is not within my control or my parameters to take them there. Very frustrating. But as a healer as well, I need to learn, I need to know, and I need to understand, which I do. I cannot help everyone. I cannot force someone to heal something they are not ready to heal. And I cannot control someone's healing. My job is to assist in their healing when they are looking for the assistance. I am not to put it upon them. But my number one priority on this planet, in this physical form, is to learn more about healing, gain more human experiences for my spiritual body. Learn how to heal myself, heal the plane of the lessons that I've learned on this planet, so I may evolve and gain different skills for the next life without my physical body. So my priority is my healing. I can assist, and I will assist anyone who is looking for healing. But I am not to obligate such healing to those who, one, are not seeking it, and two, who have not asked me. Very frustrating. But I am so happy that I finally found the words to what I've been feeling today. It's right before bedtime. But I'm glad that I will be able to sleep tonight, rest my head on my pillow without having that stirring, that uneasiness in my heart, trying to figure out, why am I feeling off today? So thank you, God, for allowing me to see what I didn't think I was seeing, to finally have that understanding, so that way I can sleep tonight and wake up nice and early for my early morning class, so that way I can be able to have a calm, serene yoga class. I'll have a calm, serene mind to teach my calm, serene yoga class tomorrow morning versus being tired and cranky and not feeling up to it. I am thankful for the challenges. I am thankful for this lockdown. I am thankful for the opportunity to gain a better relationship with myself. I am thankful for the opportunity to be in the process of healing for myself, for others, and the world. Be blessed, everyone. Namaste.